Hi, have you ever thought about how you could prevent unscheduled maintenance and penalties, and how you could optimize your part supply process? My name is Christopher Matson, MAN Energy Solutions, and I'm the responsible for maintenance kits. I would like to invite you to follow me, and I will explain the benefits of the kits. Maintenance kits is a package containing of gaskets, O-rings and packings, all you need for your unscheduled and scheduled maintenance tasks. They are all created by your engine designer. Continuous and preventive maintenance is absolute key on how to optimize your engine output. Maintenance kits is your security that you will replace all the gaskets needed during this task. Ensure compliance with your recommended service intervals and have your engine operating smoothly until your next interval. Have you ever thought about the cost of reusing gaskets? MAN maintenance kits contains all the necessary packings for your upcoming task. To secure peace of mind, order your next maintenance kits ahead of any scheduled maintenance tasks for your MAN 2 and 4-stroke engines. It is easy budgeting, easy reordering and easy installation, a small investment with such a high impact. Do you want to know more? Please reach out to your local MAN PrimeServe representative to order your maintenance kit tailor-made for your engine.